Hi, boys and girls. Ms. Martinez here. How are you guys doing? Are you staying healthy at home? Good. I'm glad you're cozy there. I'm here in class and I'm missing you so much. I wish you were here. I wish I could see you in table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, and I wish I could hug you. But it's okay. Right now, we just need to keep praying that everything's going to be back to normal soon. So just put your feet on the floor, put your hands on your lap and your eyes on the teacher, which is me, okay? So I'm excited to teach you today. Make sure you get on IXL because that's going to help your brain to stay awake, okay? Okay, we'll turn on your brain and follow me. We're going to go over the sounds of the letters first. You guys know this. Here we go. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says N says N, O says Ah, P says P, Q says Qu, R says S says S, T says T, U says V says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, and Z says Z. You guys remember that, right? Now we're going to go over the vowels. We're going to go over the 5 short vowel sounds. Are you ready? I have it right here in front of me. So here we go. A says A, E says E, I says I, O says ah, U says Great job. Did you guys get that? How do you mark your short vowel sounds? Yes, with a smiley face. I think I heard somebody say that. Very good. Now follow me over here to the board because I'm going to go over the long vowel sounds. So here we go. I have my pointer. You know this looks familiar, right? Okay, here we go. A says A. E says E. I says I. O says O. And U says U. But it also says what? Ooh, you're right. I think I heard someone else say it says ooh sometimes, Miss Martinez, and you're right. You remember. Hey, you must be on IXL. That's why you guys are getting smarter and smarter, right? So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to introduce to you, but before I introduce this new special sound, I'm going to go over another sound that you guys already know. We talked about this last week, and this is E in Brownie, IE. And some of you, it was kind of difficult for you because you kind of said E in Brownie, BR. Oh, that was a tricky one. Remember? It was E in Brownie, IE. You usually find the IE at the end. So let's take a look. And some of the times you do find it in between the word and, everywhere else. So just make sure that when you're reading and you I spy with your little I, the E in Brownie, IE, you circle it because this does not follow the 2-vowel rule. This is not going to say the long sound and cross off the E. This is a special sound. So we circle it. Let's read the words. Ready? Thief, cookie, relief, yield. What is this one? Niece and peace. Now look at these two. They have this in city C. You don't need to worry about it too much, but I'm just telling you because remember that when an E follows a C, it says the S sound, okay? It's pretending to be an S. Remember that. Or else this would say neek. That's silly. You know it's niece, all right? Good job, guys. Remember, E and Brownie, IE. But today, I'm going to also introduce to you A and obey, EY. Oh, look at that little puppy. Obey. You see? That's what we need to do. Obey your mommy at home and make sure you're helping her clean the house. Okay? Obey. So look at these 4 words in the back. Obey has EY. See that? EY, they, and obey, and survey, and obeying. Oh, it has a suffix in there. Ing and pointing, ing. But don't worry about that. Let's just focus on EY, obey. All right? So next time, again, if you see EY, you I spy, you circle it, and you got it. All right? Now, Another special sound. And this probably looks familiar because we kind of scaffolded. That means we went ahead and do you remember this special sound? E-Y, E and key. And do you remember how it has the same letters as A and obey, E-Y? But this one says a totally different sound. It's E, like donkey and turkey and money and monkey and chimney and honey. Look, they all have that E-Y sound at the end. So how do you know if it's E sound or A sound? You just need to read it and listen to yourself read to see which sound makes sense. All right? You're going to get it. Don't worry. Okay, good job. So remember, A and obey, E-Y, and E in key, E-Y. Okay, good job. Let's go over our special sounds. Just a review for chart 9. Ing in pointing ing, n in not kn, n in nat gn, ang in bang ang, ing in king ing, ong in long ong, ung in strung ung, ank in bank ank, ink in wink ink. What is this one over here? Onk in honk onk, unk in trunk unk, wa in wash wa, in adopt a, e in baby y, in little le, ed in wanted ed, t in looked ed, d in played ed. Did you say them with me? If you didn't, no problem. Just rewind and you can say that along with me, okay guys? I think I can hear you guys. Now this is a chart that we've gone over before, but we're going to go over it slowly so we can get better at it, all right? So here we go. I'm going to say it a little slower. What in whale, W-H. In who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. In flu, E-W. U in few, E-W. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, E-R. Est in biggest, E-S-T. Lee in slowly, L-Y. N in sharpen, E-N. S in peaches, E-S. Ild in child, I-L-D. Ind in kind, I-N-D. Hey guys, do you remember that we talked about these little hyphens? What does that mean? It means that, well, maybe you don't remember, so I will remind you that whenever you see the special sound that has a hyphen in front, it means that it comes after a root word, okay? So if you see that little dash right there and then there's a special sound, it means it's a suffix. It comes after the root word, okay? Just thought I'd remind you. Okay, guys, you're doing good. Now we're just going to go over this really quick, funny little story, and we're going to see how many special sounds we see there. Okay, so let's see what you spy with your little eye. Okay, we're going to do this quickly. The turkey. Oh, that's the title. Is it going to be about a cat or a dog? What do you think it's going to be about? Remember, a title tells you, gives you a hint about what the story is going to be about. So if you said it's going to be about a turkey, Miss Martinez, you're right. So let's read it. The turkey. The turkey is a funny bird. You see all those special sounds? And you see the sight words? You see all that? Did you know that that was going to be there if you marked it? You knew that, right? So then it says his head goes wobble, wobble. All he says is just one word. Gobble, gobble, gobble. So look, let's go over it really really quick. Silly Miss Martinez. We'll do this quickly, okay? Here we go. The sight word, in nurse, E. Oh, there's that special sound. E in key, E-Y. Is a funny. E in, what is it? Baby, Y. Right, funny, bird. Oh, what is this right here? Is that called a question mark? No. What is that punctuation called? Yeah, a period. I think I heard table 1 say it. Okay, good job. Because a sentence needs to end with a punctuation, right? And that's a period. You're right. And what does the sentence begin with? A lowercase? No, capital letter. Oh my goodness, you guys are on a roll. Good job. Now let's see. His head goes wobble, wobble. We have a smiley face here because it's an I sound. E in thread, EA, goes wobble, wobble, in little LE. And remember, boys and girls, just a quick reminder. You don't need to remember it all the time, but when you have twin consonants, that means that the first vowel is going to say the short vowel sound probably 98.999% of the time. It's going to say the short vowel sound. Remember, double consonant, short vowel sound, okay? Then it ends with a period. All he says, all in ball, E and me, says is a sight word is just one. The number 1 is a sight word. One word. Okay, just really quick. Word, I know it has an OR, and you guys would probably circle the OR like or in morning, but remember when there's a W in front of the OR, it changes to were in worms, not or in morning. Okay? I know, that's a tricky one, but you guys got it. Word, comma, that means pause. It doesn't mean stop. It means take a deep breath and continue, right? So all he says is just one word, gobble, gobble, gobble. So remember what are these called? They're called quotation marks, right? And these quotation marks means that somebody's saying something. Remember what we talked about when you're reading your book? It means that somebody's saying something. And who's saying gobble, gobble, gobble? The turkey, right? Great job. And that last thing is an exclamation point, which you already knew. So when you read that, you say it excitedly. You say gobble, gobble, gobble. All right? I know you got it. Great job. I'm so glad that you kept in tune to what I was teaching you. And I'm very proud of you. I miss you and keep praying for everything to go back to normal because I want you here, okay? I love you, I miss you, and stay tuned for Phonics Lesson 2 tomorrow, okay? I love you. Mwah.